So here everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you all the trades which we took in our channels. So this is our accuracy for today, and we provide signals to our members daily on our channels. To join this channel, you can just click on the link in description or just message us on our BMR support on Telegram. So we provide daily signals to our members. So this was our session for today. The first signal was for American Express OTC for the call side. This was a very good win. In this trade, there was a good uptrend going on. Plus, the moving average was also near, indicating the upside move. And the market, you see, was above the lines. Means the market was above the moving average. This was a confirmation to take this trade for the call side. And we won it. A very amazing win for today. The next signal was for Citi Group OTC for the call side. In this trade, you can see the support level is marked, and the price, as soon as it reached the support level again, we took this trade for the call side, and our entry was good, so we won this trade. We waited for the candle to give the best entry point, and we won this trade. That's why you can see, guys, the entries matter a lot, so you guys have to just mind the entries every time. The next signal is for Coinbase OTC for the call side. A very good win again. And this was a very strong support level. The candles were rejecting from the support level, and as soon as the price reached it again, we took a trade here for the call side. And the moving average was also near, so we took this trade with two confirmations and we won it. The next signal was for BNB OTC for the put side. Here, this was a very strong resistance level. You can see I just marked it, and the moving average was also indicating for the downside. As soon as the price reached again, we took an entry for the downside here and we won it. A very amazing win. So these are our trades, 4 non-martingale wins for today. You guys have to just focus on discipline, entries, and that's all. Our task is to give you the direction for the trades, and we will do it for you, the best signals and everything. You just focus on your trading, and that's all. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.